Welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today we're gonna go back to the basics. We're gonna do Italian pasta named Gricia, and it's just very few ingredients. We just have pepper, cheese, Pecorino, Romano. We got Guanciale and the pasta you like. Yeah, I'm using this one, a pot with water, salt, that's it. And you need an extra pan because we're gonna start roasting our pepper. After that, we're gonna cut our guanciale and then we're gonna also cook it. We need the oil from the guanciale, and then we're gonna do it a mix with the oil with the grated cheese and a little bit of the acqua di cottura, which means the cooking water of the pasta. And we're gonna make a sauce, creamy pasta, and it will be very nice. I will show you and I hope you like it. So these are our ingredients. This is the guanciale, pasta, salt for the water, pepper, our cheese, and water. That's all we need. So we're gonna start running some black pepper in our pan, which we're gonna roast it. You have to be very carefully not to burn it, but just to roast it. Okay? So, and now we're just gonna cut our guanciale into half. I'm gonna use only the half of it. This is around 125 grams. And then we're gonna just cut it this way. And we're gonna do the next cut. It's gonna be just when I will remove this, which is hard, we don't need it, and then we're gonna just do slices like you just see here. Yeah? This is the procedure. We'll continue this. You see, this is the purpose we're gonna do with the guanciale. Okay. Wow. Okay, this is the pepper is just ready, and now we're gonna add the guanciale. We're just gonna separate it, of course. So we remove our pepper, and now we're gonna use just our guanciale here on the pan. Now it's time for our Pecorino Romano cheese. We're gonna just grate it. We need a lot of cheese, make it cheesy, very nice. This is just combination is just fantastic. So I hope you so far you like the video, you are enjoying the channel as well. Just use this time to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumb up button. It does help us, the content creators. Yeah. So now we go to our hot water, boiling water, and we add our pasta, the one you like. Look, this is the fat from our guanciale. We're just gonna remove it and add it to the cheese. Here are like 4 tablespoons or around, and just carefully don't burn the guanciale. It's very important. Yeah, you don't want to burn flavor on it. Now add your roasted pepper, and this is the acqua di cottura. The acqua di cottura means that the boiling water you are using to cook your pasta. Yeah, I remove this half a cup and you add it to this cheese, and you are gonna make it a soft mix. Yeah, just smooth mix here with the pepper, cheese, and the oil from the guanciale. Yeah, now you just move it, add a little bit more if you need, just carefully. Just you need to have it smooth. Yeah, it just make it just with a little bit of patience, it will be very smooth. Now in our pan we add our pasta. If you see, with a lot of water on it. We do not rinse the water, the pasta. Don't throw it away, just keep it, because you might probably need to add a little bit of water to make this mantecatura process, which is in Italian kitchen means adding a little bit of water to your pasta until you get the consistency, the creamy touch for the pasta, typical from Italian kitchen. Yeah, now just start making it together, the guanciale, the rest of the fat in the guanciale, and the pasta with the water that we add a little bit, and just mix it. And we are gonna add our cheese mix we did. Yeah, look, start making that everything get together, like the thickness from the bottom get together with the pasta. It will make the flavor just fantastic. Yeah, now just help yourself with a spoon and just add this mix. You see, was smooth, cheesy, and tasty. Our pepper with cheese and the guanciale fat. Yeah, and of course now you just need to give it a touch, mix it all together carefully, mix it. And if you need to, you add a little bit of water from where you cook the pasta, the acqua di cottura. This is the process. It will make the pasta just better. Yeah, just have a try. If you don't like it, it's almost impossible you don't like it. It just improve your pasta way too much if you do this process of mantecatura, what I just told you. Yeah, so now we're just ready to go. Yeah, you see, I need a little bit more of water. I just add it and just keep just mixing it. It will be very creamy and very smoothie. Now you are just, look, it's creamy on the bottom. Everything is mixed, everything has sauce on it, the pepper, spicy, the guanciale, and it's all creamy, and we're just ready to go. Now you just have to serve it on your dish and enjoy it together with your family. So I hope you like it. Thank you very much and enjoy it.